Save grace and let it fall to the ground. None of my words are counterfeit. Keep smiling through those lies you chose to tell. But words may change within a brave new world. A sign that all things come to an end. So spread the wealth and hope it folds instead. It's too late to let it fall apart through emptiness, despair. I try to fight the painful way I've grown. A city street I've crowded on demand has never seemed so bare. I try to break the day